If he refers it to the ICI, ano po yung mangyayari?
Well, of course, natanggapin namin yan, no? And it will be part of our investigation and our review.
Sir,
so we would welcome any information with regard to our mandate, which is to investigate anomalous flood control projects at the same time other infrastructure projects. So we will not discriminate as long as we get the information and complete documentation, then we will look at it.
Sir, will there be investigations also in Cebu? Kasi nabanggit din po niya.
Pardon me again?
Cebu. Will there also be investigations?
We will take it as it is also the same way. Any referral is sent to us. We will review it and we will look into it.
Hindi po moto proprio ang ICI?
Depends on the information. Right now, we're still completing our staffing. Importante sa amin yun. No? But rest assured, once we are more capacitated, we will look into these anomalous flood control projects and infrastructure projects. But in the meantime, any submission or information or data given to us will be welcome. And we will look at them once we have the capacity to do so. Which will be soon.
So the Speaker said 0 delays dapat sa approval ng ICI bills?
ICI bills. Okay.
0 delays.
So, comment on that?
Yes.
Oh yes, okay, we welcome that. Any other additional powers granted to the ICI or this time with the creation of a new commission will be welcome because it will make the task more efficient and faster.
Sir, sa Luzon daw po, yung sentro daw po ng anomalous flood control projects ay Bulacan. Sa Mindanao naman daw po, yung Davao Occidental. Does ICI agree to that observation po?
Well, right now, tinitingnan pa namin yung mga investigasyon. No? Tinitingnan pa namin kung ano yung mga dokumento meron kami. Wala kaming kinaklasify kung ito ba yung sentro, ito ba yung hindi. As far as we're concerned, we're evidence-based. Kung saan mapumunta yung ebidensya, doon kami pupunta.
Sir, are you also going to consider yung sinasabi ni Congressman Chavit Singh or ni former Governor Chavit Singh na Ilocos din daw may mga flood control projects daw sa Ilocos Norte na inaalis ni former Governor Chavit Singh?
Well, same reply. Kung saan naman ang ebidensya, kung meron man magbigay sa amin ng information, and then when the time comes that we are able to address all those, then we will investigate. Okay? Okay na?
Thank you, Attorney.